Good morning, everyone. I am here to share my breakfast with you guys. I guess I've mentioned before in previous videos that I went plant-based about a year ago, and people are always asking me, what is it that I eat? So I am about to have breakfast, and I thought I would share my breakfast with you. I am going to have just eggs, which are amazing. They cook up just like eggs, you guys. I don't know if you've had these or not. It doesn't take as long to cook, but when they're done, you can't tell the difference. And I'm using plant-based butter or butter substitute. It's non-GMO, it's vegan, and it's gluten-free, and also my delicious dairy-free shreds is actually the cheese substitute. And also I'm gonna have some grits, and I'm gonna spread my grape jelly onto my Thomas's English muffins, and gonna have some silk almond milk, and I'm gonna have some sausage patties. And these are really good. I think they're delicious. They taste just like regular sausage. And people are always asking about protein. They're always concerned about protein, but they actually are made with complete protein. So these are really good. So here is what I'm going to be having for breakfast of this morning. And when I'm done whipping all of this up, my breakfast of champions, I will come back and share with you my end result. Be right back. Can't wait. See you soon. There are my breakfast sausages, plant-based of course, cooking up on a medium heat. I added a little bit of oil, to like a teaspoon of canola oil to the skillet, and doesn't take much because they are plant-based. It doesn't take long for any of this food to cook. These are sizzling. They won't take too long. They'll be ready in a snap. So I put a little butter in my skillet, and you keep the fire down to a medium. I've got my just eggs to prepare for my vegan or plant-based eggs. And so what we do is we just shake it up really good, give it a good shake. Once you get the butter warmed up, you just pour in about an egg size dropping, or however much you want to use. And yeah, give it a little time. You're gonna have yourself some delicious eggs in no time. I topped off my eggs, my just eggs, with some plant-based cheese, and it's almost ready to go. Okay guys, so I am not a cook by any means, but here is my final creation. I have my sausage, egg, and cheese with jelly spread on my Thomas's English muffin, grits topped with some butter. I have my mixed bowl of fruit: blueberries, strawberries, pears, pineapples, and my delicious glass of silk almond milk. So there you have it. There is my quick plant-based breakfast. Stay tuned, you guys. I'm gonna go enjoy my breakfast, but when I come back, I'm gonna show you how I whip up a really delicious lunch. Hey guys, so before we get started, I just wanted to say, look at all these potatoes. I asked my husband to grab me a bag from the store, and in his traditional over-the-top self, this is what he brought me. So let's make some potatoes. My son loves Sloppy Joes, so I thought today I'd try for the first time this Luma's Sloppy Joe mix. I'm going to add some boneless ground beef just to bulk it up, and some tater tots, And then we're going to have some corn on the cob. Cool. This company is based in California. Let's get started. I've added a teaspoon of olive oil to my skillet to prepare for my beefless ground, which actually looks and tastes just like ground beef as far as I'm concerned. It cooks up pretty quick. That's the difference. It takes about maybe 6 minutes, I believe, to cook up, and you don't want to overcook it because it's not beef. But while I'm waiting for that, I pop my tater tots in the oven to get them nice and warmed up and crispy. And in the meantime, I season my beefless ground with the seasonings that I like because I like flavor. So garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, seasoning salt. And then I mix it up really good with the heat on medium. And by the way, I think that if you're trying to transition to becoming plant-based or vegan, having these substitutes like really help, because you don't have, or you don't feel like everything that you know were eating before has been just snatched away from you. Especially for kids, I think sometimes they're like, wait a minute, what happened to all those foods that I really enjoyed eating? So this helps a lot. And so what I did here is go ahead and add the Luma Sloppy Joe mix to my ground. And yeah, basically this is what it looks like. It's really delicious. I've added my flavoring, my seasoning to it, and we're ready to eat. So here you have it, our quick Sloppy Joe lunch. It took me all of maybe 20 minutes to make, and we've got our Sloppy Joes, our corn on the cob, and our tater tots, and everyone's really excited to eat. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I hope everyone's eating healthy.